Hey, welcome back for another video. If you're new here, my name's Mark, and I typically talk about photography, camera gear, travel, and pretty much whatever else I feel like. But today I'm talking about the Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens for Canon M mount cameras. Please shop through the affiliate links down below in the description to help support this channel. Here is the Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens for Canon M mount cameras. We're gonna open the box right up. Paperwork, plastic, cardboard. And we've got the lens itself. You've got a front cap, a back cap, and the lens hood like the other lenses in this line. Very small lens, very lightweight, very fast to autofocus. And you've got that lens hood on there too. So if we put it on the camera body, again, very small little package that we have here. Even with the hood on, still very small and very lightweight. F1.4, it's basically a 50 mil. I love this. So it'll be another video where we walk through more photos with this lens on the M6 Mark II, but here's just a couple of previews for now. If 48mm isn't gonna be enough for you, then be sure to check out my video on the Sigma 56mm, which gives you a 89.6mm equivalent focal length. So I've got a whole series of videos about the Canon M6 Mark II and some other lenses and accessories that go with it. So be sure to check out the rest of my channel so that you can see those videos. Thank you so much for coming along on this one. Thank you to B&H for sending out this loaner camera for me to check out and bring to you. And I'll see you in the next video.